Hey, Jack, now be careful. Those are the ones.
Those are real. You can't just throw them in.
Wait, Jack. Stay there.
Luke.
No. Those are real eggs. Those are the ones you colored.
This is the real one.
How'd they get out here? Gentle.
It's got mud all through the house. Here, Jack. Hey, look. Hey, Jack.
Good
The
job.
real eggs. Let's put the real eggs in here.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Good job, Luke.
Come on, Luke. Over here, Luke. What's that? Whose is that? Oh, boy.
I gotta try to open.
Good brother. Wow.
Who is that, Luke? Who? All right.
Who else? That is Goofy.
Look at that. Nice chair.
Nice job, Jack. You want to go find some eggs, Luke?
Look, see what I found?
Oh, yeah. Do you have any real ones in here? Oh, yeah. Let's put the real ones in here.
Okay, put that one in your basket or your bag.
Let me see if there's it is.
A little chick.
I found a little tick. You did. Let's bring home. Found a little tick.
Put that in your bag. Your bag's over there.
Here, Luke.
Put it in your bag. Okay, you got the egg. Good boy. What are you doing, Luke?
Let's find another egg, Luke.
I found another one.
Come on, Luke. Come on.
What is that? What is that?
Hurry up and get it.
Can you get it?
See any eggs? Get them. Where's your bag?
Here. Here's your bag.
Mama has it.
Put it in your bag.
Here, Luke.
Put them in your bag.
Wait,
Put 'em
Jack,
in.
slow down, slow down,
'em in.
slow down, Jack.
Put them in. What happened?
What's this?
Whoa!
Here's a bucket. Put the toys in the bucket. There's toys everywhere.
You want to go help Mama?
Whoa, good throw, Luke.
Here, Luke, get your bucket. Get that bucket. Get your bucket. Here, Luke, look. Pick that up and put them in. Look at all this.